Hi!
Hi!
Alright. Hi, awesome kids and moms! So ngayon po magre-review po tayo ng books at saka notebooks ni Caleb. Caleb po ay grade 1.
No!
So nung Friday, every Friday po ay
No.
binabalik po yung mga books and notebooks
Rest.
pinapadala mula sa school. Tapos titingnan po natin kung meron siyang mga activities and assignments, right? Mga things that you have done in school. Ayan. Say hi muna dun. Hi.
Hi!
Hi. Hi kids. Say hi kids.
No!
Say hi kids. Hi.
But,
Say hi kids.
hi,
Kids. My name
My name
is
is
what's your name? Caleb?
Caleb.
Louder.
Caleb Alexander F. Saba.
Alright. Okay. So ito yung mga notebooks ni Caleb.
No!
So meron po siyang 6 notebooks.
But,
At ito din po yung kanyang mga books. Daming mga books. 5 books. So titingnan po natin isa-isa kung meron siyang assignment o kaya meron siyang mga kailangang basahin. Okay. First is writing notebook for mathematics. Mathematics. Let's see. Wow! Okay. So yung first po na writings niya sa mathematics, numbers from 1 to 100. So, unti-unti po siyang natututo magsulat. Ayan po yung kanyang sulat. Nakalagay, excellent. Say excellent. Excellent. Yeah, great job naman. Clap your hands. Yay, clap your hands. Yay, excellent. Oh, how do you spell excellent?
E-X-C-E-L-L-E-N-T. Excellent.
Hey, very good. High five. Wow. What are these numbers? Okay, numbers. No, 1, 2. Numbers.
But,
Hey, look at me. 1 numbers. 1, 2,
2,
1,
1,
100.
100.
See, you count 1, 2, 1, 2, go. Point 1, 2, 1.
No.
Hey, louder. 1. Okay, 1. Come on. 1.
1. No.
2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Louder.
and 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
22.
22, 23, 24,
25 years.
25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
61. Louder.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73,
74.
74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Oh, very good. High five. So, tingnan natin kung may assignment.
No.
Oops, what happened? Wow, excellent as well. 4. Look at that. 4. 4. Read. 4.
4
Basic
Basic.
shapes.
shapes.
You have
Triangle.
triangle,
Triangle.
circle, square,
Rectangle.
rectangle, and na-rate po din po siyang excellent. Excellent din siya. Oh, wow! Very good. High five. Excellent. Oh, pipirmahan niya ito ng daddy kailangan. You stay here lang. I still have a lot of activities. Wow. Wow. What happened here? Ay, no. Don't do that. Don't do
No.
that. What happened? Nakadikit din nak. Hala, nakadikit. Oh no. Excellent din. May mga ano po siya, mga drawings. Tingnan natin to. Nakadikit eh. Ayan. Circles. There, circles and triangle. Wow, circle. Say circle.
Circle.
Green circle.
Circle.
Green circle.
Green circle.
Blue
Blue circle.
circle. This one, what's this? Triangle.
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 Okay, triangle.
Triangle.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Orange.
Triangle.
Very good. Okay. And then, excellent din, no? Excellent. Excellent. Meron pa dito nakadikit. What happened? Oh, wow. Oh, no. Oh, what happened? Alright. And then, meron pong square. Yan, square. At saka, rectangle. Na excellent din nakalagay lahat. Square. Say square. Say square.
So square. So square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Oh, excellent. Excellent. Very good. Wow. O, kailangan permahan ni daddy pala to. May permahan ni daddy, ha? Kailangan permahan ni daddy daw yata yan. Oh, I don't have a pen. Where's my pen? Hold on. Later, permahan ni daddy isa-isa yan, ha? Okay. Next. Wala po siyang assignment sa mathematics. So that is mathematics. Alright. Say this is. Say this is.
This is
My
my
mathematics notebook. Notebook.
Notebook.
Ayaw kasi niya struggle pa po sa kanya yung yung long term na mga ganito. So kailangan po iti-train pa siya na mas ma-expose ang long term. We still have a lot. You stay here. Okay, next. Oh, walang laman. Communications po, wala pang assignment. Okay. Next, Filipino. Wala pa din yung assignment sa Filipino. Next. Oh, wala pang aralin panlipunan. Baka hindi pa wala pa masyadong laman. As well as GMRC. Kasi may GMRC rin po sila. Maganda po yung pagbalik ng GMRC. Kasi mas importante po ngayon yung foundation. Katulad po ng time din namin dati, may good manners and right conduct kami na classes or subjects. Maganda binalik po nila because importante po nowadays na mas na-expose yung mga bata sa mga iba't ibang mga influences like the social media, the use of yung mga gadgets. So, importante ma-realign sila towards yung moral and behavioral development. Yan. So, English. Tingnan natin yung English niya. Ay, meron. Ayan. The letters, the vowels, and what's that? Yeah, vowel sounds. Tapos, yeah, excellent. Excellent. So, meron din siyang mga kwakiki, kuko, mga babibi, bubu. And then the hi and hello's writing niya. Thank you. Ano? What happened? Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. What's this? Welcome. Welcome. Right. Read.
Well,
Welcome. Good
good.
night.
Knife.
Good
Good.
evening.
Evening.
Good
Craft.
afternoon. Wow. Okay. Stay here pa. We're reviewing mga yung ano mo eh. Okay. A,
A. B.
B, C, D, E, F.
F.
Short
Short. Vowel.
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 A,
A.
E, I, O, U. As in cat. Say, you read cat. Cat.
Cat.
Cat.
Cat. Bag.
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 Fan. Fan.
Hat.
No, not hot. Hat.
Hat. Bat.
Bat.
Bat. Jam.
Jam.
Jam. Fan.
Van.
Van.
One more time. Cat.
Cat. Bag. Fan. Hat. Bat. Jam. Fan.
Okay, so ito po yung mga binabasa namin. Yan. Meron pa siya cat, bag, fan, hat, bat, jam, and van. Okay, so next, bed. E-sound. E-sound naman, bed.
Bed. Peg.
Peg.
Pack. Hand. Tin. Net. Pen. Wheel.
Vet. Okay, I-sound. Pig.
Pig. Pip.
Bib.
Pip. Pin.
Zip.
Zip.
Rib.
Rip.
Bin.
Bin. Six.
Very good. And then the O sound, dog.
Dog. Talked. Box. Pop. Hot. Map.
Galing magbasa.
Fox. Dot. Bog. Nut.
Lang, galing.
Sun. Hot. Boss. Cup. Rock. Gum.
Lang, galing magbasa. High five naman. Yeah, very good. Thank you. Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, wow, you love reading na. I love. Say, hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
I love
I love
reading.
reading.
I love
I love
mathematics.
mathematics.
Yeah, galing nga. Tingnan nga natin notebook. Ay, notebook books.
3, 2.
Kung merong assignment, parang wala, no? Kasi wala, dapat nakalagay sa mga notebooks ang assignments, pero wala naman. So, check lang po natin yung mga books niya. So, ganito lang po pwedeng gawin nyo sa mga bahay, mga awesome moms and parents, dads, moms, yung mga nagbabantay, mga nagka-guide po sa mga anak nila. Check nyo lang po lagi. And then, from time to time, pwede nyo gamitin to para magbasa. Lalo na for Caleb, kailangan pa namin magbasa ng Filipino kasi hindi pa masyado siya maayos magbasa ng Filipino. Ini-English po niya yung Filipino.
Speak.
Kaya, start ng training ng Filipino,
Speak to.
reading. Mathematics naman po niya. So, ganun din po, private or public schools, may mga libro po yan. Mas maganda kung mag-author ninyo yung mga libro. Ayan, katulad ng mathematics, pinapasagot na po sa kanila sa loob ng libro yung mga activities katulad ng ganito. Circle, triangle, square, at rectangle. Yan, say circle.
Circle. Triangle. Square. Rectangle.
Rectangle. Circle,
Circle.
triangle,
Triangle.
rectangle,
Rectangle.
square. Oh, what's this?
Triangle. Square. Circle. Rectangle.
Ay, very good. Katulad niyan. So maganda po, ano, nagsasagot na po sila rito sa loob mismo ng libro. Normally sa mga private schools. Kasi sa public schools, binabalik po yun eh. Yung mga notebook, ay mga books. Kaya kailangan sa notebooks or papel sila magsusulat ng mga activities nila. Kung may gusto siyang tingnan, ano gusto mo tingnan? Ano gusto siyang tingnan? Wow.
Okay.
Shapes, no? Yeah, say shapes.
Shapes.
Wow.
And circle is like
Ah? Nagbasa ng kusa. Sige na, a circle is like, go. A ball.
a ball.
Round.
Rounder.
And
And round it off.
never.
Never stops.
A circle.
A circle is
Is
like
a ball.
ball.
Wow. Gusto niyo. Inagaw niya yung libro sa akin. Nag-flip-flip siya. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin niya. Babasa ka ba? Reading ka? Read ka? Wow. Ano? Anong gagawin mo?
Okay.
Okay? Tingnan niya yung sarili niya nag-flip-flip ng libro sa video. See? Wow! Parang pabalik-balik ka lang mag-flip. Okay. Close na. Close the book na. Close the book. Done ka na? Close book na.
Okay.
Okay. Tapos ito po yung GMRC book nila. GMRC notebook po nila. iBook.
And circle is like castle.
A ball.
A ball.
It's like a ball. Ang ganda ng GMRC book po nila, oh. Talaga, balik tanaw, nakaka-reminisce ng mga GMRC books dati. Sobrang ganda. So, pwede po nating i-maximize yung mga reading activities na meron dyan sa mga libro. Instead na mag-gadget sila, may oras sila mag-gadget. Pwede naman. Oh,
Circle
basa siya.
and circle is like
About rectangle. A rectangle
rectangle
has
has 4 sides.
two
2 are
long
ha-
and
and
two
2 are short.
short. A
A rectangle
Has-
has 4 sides.
very good. Ay, inubo. Ayan po. So, tapos na po nating ma-review lahat ng mga books sa notebooks niya. Dahil makikita po natin yung mga ginagawa nila sa school. At pwede din natin gamitin to from time to time para mag-activity sila. We can just use like an extra notebook or sheets para mas or yung reading activities, importante yon both sa English tsaka Filipino. Para mas ma-train din sila, masanay, sa school at bahay, meron pa rin silang ginagawang learning. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Thank you, everyone.
Everyone.
All right. Bye-bye.